Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove developer options on Realme C67 device. Developer options is an Android feature used by developers to develop their applications. This feature allows users to configure the phone system to update profiles and debug application performance. Okay, and then the way to turn it off, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down and then you can select the system option. Okay, and then select the developer options here. After that, you can turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, and then now you can see that the developer option on your device is successfully removed or turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove developer options on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.